What's up guys, welcome to my channel Shubhi's Dance Academy. I'm Shubhi Arora and today I'm here to share with you the step-by-step tutorial of a very popular song by Sapna Chaudhary, Chatak Matak. I hope guys by now you must have seen my video. It is already out, but if you have not, please go and check the link in the description box as well as here. Okay, so I must also mention why I'm wearing these accessories today in my tutorial, because I believe that Haryanvi dances are incomplete without these oxidized jewelry, isn't it? So I thought of putting it in my tutorial as well. So guys, let's get started. Guys, I have divided my tutorial into 3 parts. I'm sharing with you the part 1, that is the starting of the song till the first music is complete. So my dance start, if you see the video, I am towards my right with my right hand up and left hand down, and then coming like this, where they are mentioning about aankhon mein. So you have to give expressions. 1, 2, bindi you have to show like this and this. Here I am just sending, just moving my legs like this and like this. There's not much movement in this. So it's right hand up and left hand down and turn. Then show your bindi, and then third step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then ban thanke mein aayi. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be full of grace and chatak matak. So 1, जितना मटक सकते हैं will look good guys. इसके बाद म्यूजिक थोड़ी तेज हो जाती है. I am putting my hands like this and moving my legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically it's only twice, right and left. I'm doing it 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put your right leg like this and right hand showing your bindi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put your left hand on your waist and 1, 2. 3 times you have to do. Next line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically from left to right you are going and coming back from right to left. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After this, start a small music. You have to hold your lehenga or ghagra and jump right, left, and then hands up and go down. फिर गज का दामन काढ़ चल. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put your hands like this and come back, moving your waist like 1, rotating 3, 4. In circular motion it should go like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now comes the first music of this song. That's a big music. So you hold your lehenga from both the sides and move to your right once, left once. Then put your left foot in front and take your lehenga 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the half of the music. 1, 2, put your left in front, 3 and 4. Then the second half is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am putting my right foot like this and bringing it back, and take care that your left leg is supporting your right. That means it is also bouncing. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And here ends the part 1 of our dance. Part 2 is from the second stanza till the second music. Part 2 starts with Chuda Hata Mein Khanke. So Chuda Hata Mein Khanke. It's fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And Tagdi 1, chan 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 ke. So you are rotating your kamar from left to right. 1, 2, chan ke should be fast and bringing it down. Tagdi chan 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 ke. Then Ghuma Tu Choti Mein is take your just pretend this is your choti, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Ghuma De Choti Mein Lakdi, and then clap and Morni Banke. Put your right hand up, move towards your right. Again, Ghumashde 2, 3, 4. Jump, clap and jump. Put your left hand up. Again, third time this Morni Banke. So I am doing it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am taking a semicircle from my left and putting my hands like a peacock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then sword ki ishare. 1, 2, ishare. Gaya, re. And then take your zulfe, your hair, like this, and turn. And 1, 2. There's a beat with jhatkas. 1, 2. And then from here, come back with the music is there, small music. I'm coming like this, doing like this, 1, 2, and then putting my hands up and bringing it down. So when I come back here, Gajka Daman Kar Chali. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here starts second music of part 2, the long music in this video. So it's hold your ghagra, jump and bend and go around. Again, hold your lehenga, jump, bend and go around. Then put your right hand out, left leg out, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the half of the music. Again, watch me. Hold your lehenga, jump, go down, right hand down, right leg down. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second part of this music is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically your left leg is up and you're dropping and picking up your waist. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and right leg down. It's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we end the music, and with that part 2 as well. Part 3 starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then मेरे गोरे गोरे रंग पे सूट यूं जचरा पटियारा, सूट यूं जचरा पटियारा, मेरे गोरे गोरे रंग पे सूट यूं जचरा पटियारा. Then jachra, go down, piyara. So till here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then मेरे गोरे गोरे रंग पे सूटियों जचरा पटियाला. Then मेरे गोरे गोरे रंग पे सूटियों जचरा पटियाला, जचरा पटियाला. Then जचरा पटियाला. जो मन ने देखे. नेक्स्ट इज जो मन ने देखे. जो मन ने देखे सांस जावे उसकी अटक. Go up and then 2. So putting your leg like this, 1 2 1 2, and hands also drop with your leg, 1 2, and then using again गज का दामन, गज का चाली में मटक मटक, चाली में मटक मटक. Guys, here we end the tutorial, and the steps are really easy, and I hope they will definitely help you to learn this song. And guys, I request you to please go and check the video, my dance video, one more time. And also please do like, comment and give a subscription so that you get the notification of all my videos that are coming soon. With that note, I must say goodbye to each and everyone. Bye bye, see you soon.